How does passive income for your real estate business sound? Now, don't get me wrong, I love the eat what you kill mentality in real estate, and so do you, but having that extra passive income on those down months would be so helpful, wouldn't it? Well, what if there was a brokerage that offered passive income opportunities to every agent? A brokerage who aligned its goals with yours and paid you for adding value. My name is Sean Skellinger, founder of Skelly Agency. At Skelly Agency, we offer every agent passive income opportunities through our Yours program. For every agent you recruit, you'll earn 5% of their deals forever. That's right, you get paid when your recruited agents get paid and the brokerage gets paid. At Skelly Agency, we're redefining what an agency can do for its agents. But we're only taking 3 new agents this month. So if you're interested, click the button below to learn more.